Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 5 of my November tag-a-day. So let's get busy and see what I used today. I used the Sunny Studio Build a Tag number 2 die, and I used this one here. And then I used this Sweet and Sassy stamp set. It's called In the Psalms. And I'm not one that shares about my faith very often. But when we lived in El Paso, I went to a church and they became like family. I went to Bible study there and all kinds of things. There was several of the ladies in my Bible study. They were older ladies, but they touched my heart and I still get choked up thinking about them. And one of them would always start our Bible study with, "This is the day which the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." But she always sang it. And anytime I see that or hear that, I immediately think of her. And that leads me to think of that church and those women. And just, they helped me through maybe 2 deployments that Sam was in Iraq. Helped me with my kids. They brought me meals. I think when I had like my hysterectomy, it means so much. And so when I saw this stamp set, I just had to have it. And so I actually made 4 tags today. They are super simple, but I think they turned out beautiful. And I'm hoping that maybe whoever I send them to, maybe it'll spark a memory to them as well. And also just have them reflect on their time in their faith, whatever their faith may be. So it says, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me. Bless his holy name." And it's Psalm 103.1. And then I already said that one. And then, "I sought the Lord, and he heard me and delivered me from all my fears. And be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart, all ye hope in the Lord." So it's kind of getting all teary-eyed, kind of an emotional one for me today. And I have to say, when I set out to do it, I was looking for something to do that was kind of quick because my daughter came home early on Friday. And so I wanted to get it done so I didn't have to worry about it because she'll be here all weekend. But then as I started working on it, I got kind of choked up. So I think sometimes we need those stamp sets to just kind of mean just a little bit more. And then the paper that I used is from Prima. It is super old, 2010. It is gorgeous. The pad is falling apart. It had so many beautiful designs in it, but it is very, very old. And then here are my tags. Whoops, losing paper there. So on all of them, I use that paper, that die, some gold ribbon, and then I heat embossed the sentiment in gold. And I just think they look so pretty and so elegant. And so you can see that gold embossing. Don't know if I'll be able to get a very good picture of it, but so there are my quick and easy tags. But like I said, I thought they turned out beautiful. I was very, very happy with them. And I was also happy it kind of took me down memory lane and made me reflect a little bit. So there's my tags for today. I hope that you'll stop back by tomorrow for day 6. And until then, go do something crafty and go do something for yourself. Bye.